In this episode of I Tried It, I test this side hustle that claims that we can make 700 monetizable YouTube shorts for faceless channels in just 18 minutes, all using AI, and why that is the worst thing that you could do for your YouTube channel. We're going to talk about the YouTube channel that he references. I'm going to talk about all the reasons why this is a bad idea, and I'm going to let you make the decision for yourself. So watch this video if you are thinking about using this method to make monetizable YouTube shorts. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so a few weeks ago, I watched this video that claims that you can make 700 monetizable YouTube Shorts videos in just 18 minutes. And the process is actually really simple. What you can do, if you take a look at my screen here, is you can use ChatGPT, whether it's the 3.5, which is free, or the 4th version, to create facts. And then you're simply going to come over to Canva, you're going to find a video, and you're going to use the automation software through Canva. You go down to apps and you look at the bulk create here, you're going to use this software to make 700 YouTube shorts in a matter of minutes. Now, this process does work. You can make 700 YouTube shorts in just minutes. In fact, I'm going to show you an example of some of these that work. Now, if we look at my screen here, some of these videos, 2.7 thousand views, 2.1 thousand views, 2.5 thousand views, and this channel has less than 500 subscribers. So in theory, this does work, okay? But there are a number of reasons why this is a really, really bad idea. First and foremost, this is what YouTube considers low quality or low effort content. If we look, the background is all the same throughout every single video. The music is free music from YouTube, but for the most part, it is all the same. And so this is low quality, low effort. In addition, these videos are about 10 seconds long at most. And so they'll have high watch time. However, they're not actually helping YouTube. And what you have to remember is with YouTube's all about making money. And if enough of this junk goes out into YouTube, people are going to leave YouTube for other options like Instagram, TikTok, you name it, there's other options out there. And so one thing that you absolutely have to realize is that the sole purpose of YouTube is to make money. They don't care about you, they don't care about me. They are going to do whatever it takes to actually make money. And the only way they make money is by keeping people on the platform. Once again, if they see hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of the exact same video, they're going to start nuking channels, and this channel probably would be one of them. That's one thing that you've got to consider. Low effort, low quality. Think of these types of videos kind of like those Reddit videos where people would just go to Reddit, find Reddit stories, paste them right onto YouTube, have AI reading them off. While it worked for a little while, it was monetized for a little while. We've seen over the last couple of years, those were demonetized and some of those channels were actually deleted. Once again, low effort, low quality. People would watch those videos for a couple minutes and then they would leave. And YouTube actually tracks, believe it or not, YouTube has the AI software to track a user's movement. So if someone watches this video, says, hey, this is low effort, low quality, I'm gonna bounce, I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna go over to TikTok, that's a negative strike against you as the content creator and a negative strike to YouTube as a whole. So understand the purpose of YouTube. It's to make money. It's not for the creator. It's furthering their business, okay? Put money in their own pocket. Now, one big thing that we have to mention. Now, if we take a look at my screen, this is the original video by AI Genius. They have 23,000 subscribers. They claim that this channel is making money. At the time, this is just 3 weeks ago, they have 361,000 views. They say that this channel is monetized. But what if I told you that I know for a fact that this channel is not monetized? And so what they're saying in this video isn't actually what's happening in the real world. Before we get into that, the other thing that I want to let you know is with YouTube, they're using machine learning, they're using their own AI software to play catch up because there's always new shortcuts, there's always new tips, tricks, and hacks that come out essentially every single month. And what YouTube does and Google and large corporations is they are using their AI software, they're using machine learning to collect data and understand what's going on. So once again, if they are seeing a bunch of this content, their machine learning is going to categorize this as a type of content. They have the exact same text at the top, then they've got the exact same words at the middle, the videos are all the same length, and so this is going to start falling into a bucket. I guarantee you, YouTube's machine learning is figuring out what's good content, what's real, and what's junk like this, and it's going to start getting demonetized if it is monetized, and it's going to potentially put your channel in risk. So before I show you and tell you that this channel may or may not be monetized, understand it is much more profitable in the long run to create your own unique original content. It will take longer, yes. However, if you just did something as simple as read this off with your own voice, use voice inflection, ask for comments, ask for likes, ask for shares, this is going to be a much better way to go than to just let AI do all the work, to just automate this entire process. So without further ado, how do I know that this channel is not monetized? First, I'm going to show you a couple examples of channels that are monetized. This is my channel here, Alston's FBA Journey. Go ahead and check it out if you want to see me progress earning my first $1,000 with Amazon FBA. But if we look here, this channel is monetized. I know it's monetized because it's my channel. If we look here, this is the channel, this is the video that you're watching right now. This says monetized. If we look at this channel right here, AI Genius, we go over to their page here. This video says monetized, but the channel that they reference right here, not monetized. So they're leading you to believe that these types of videos are working, are getting monetization, are getting ads, are making lots of money. In fact, they reference that they're making lots of money per month. However, according to vidIQ, which is a preferred plugin that YouTube recommends, TubeBuddy and vidIQ, according to this, it's not monetized. So if this channel's correct, if we go up here, we go to this channel and it says this is not monetized, I'm fairly confident in believing that this one is not monetized either. So while this method does work, while getting a bunch of videos like this does work, and it can continue to work, you get views, they're not good views. There's good views, there's bad views. They're not good views. The view duration is extremely low. It can force people to click off to something else. It's not adding value, which is something YouTube ultimately looks for, and it's not going to help YouTube make money. When you understand as a content creator that the purpose of the platform is not to further your goals, it's not to make you money, it's to help them make more money, you'll understand that this type of content will not help them make money, and thus, therefore, as a byproduct, this content won't be monetized. This content is in a risk of essentially having your channel be deleted, and it's much better, the short term and the long term, for you to create your own unique original content. How difficult would it be for you to create a video where you come up with one doggy facts? When a dog sniffs you, when a dog sniffs you, it's getting to know you. How hard would it be for you to create your own content? You can come over to ChatGPT and say, list 20 puppy facts. Hit enter, it's gonna give you 20 puppy facts. Now, we can come over to Canva, we can find a puppy like this, puppy. Hit enter, we're gonna look for a video of a puppy. We are going to drag this over like this, and then we can basically do the exact same thing. Come up with 20 puppy facts, but then you can also use Canva to create a voiceover as well. That's going to be much better. That's going to help you actually make money. I would also use different videos for every clip. Now again, this is going to take a little bit longer. However, if you really want to be successful online, don't skip steps, don't try and shortcut the process, because ultimately you are going to lose out on money, you're going to lose out on opportunity, and you're going to risk your account getting bad. But as you can see from my example in my account, it does work, but you're not going to make money from it, unless the only way that you can make money is if someone were to click on your profile and you've got links here. However, the odds of that are not great. So this process should not be done by you. If you truly want to start a successful YouTube channel or a YouTube Shorts channel, you want to make money, do not do this process, because it's not going to make you money. Comment down below if you saw the original video and you thought about trying it. Comment if you think there's a way to make this work and make money. Watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.